First you need to take a base concealer and hide your cupid brow and the whole lining. Then blend it with a damp sponge on your lips. Now you can see that I have hidden my cupid bow with normal base concealer. Now I will make a fake shape from the cupid bow to make it look fuller. Take it from above . Now you need to fill it with your favorite lip color. Now you can see that my lips are looking bigger and it's give a Botox look which is very much in trend now.
Subscribe for more such informative videos.